This is the part where I don't like to put trust in the Federal Reserve, but this is the thing. They have tools that they do not tell us about. And so this is the thing. The Federal Reserve has lifeboats, and that sucks to think that we're going to be dependent on a lifeboat, but that's essentially what's going to happen. These 150 economists are scrutinizing every bit of the economy and coming up with game plans to deal with situations such as that. And even if we were to go back in history and look at, like, say, Ben Bernanke saying that, you know, the subprime mortgages are isolated or whatever, or it's contained in the subprime mortgages, it wasn't. He knew it. Everybody knew it. The Fed knew it. They had the tools ready to be deployed to deal with the fact that that wasn't isolated, right? But he couldn't come out and say that because it would have just destroyed the market immediately. So the Fed does lie in ways such as Ben Bernanke did that day, but they're not dummies.